Rukkie's Drunken Noodles. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Rukkie Cooks. My name is Rukkie for you guys that are new here, and today is another episode of quick 20-minute meals. Today I'm going to be making my delicious drunken noodles, so make sure you stay tuned. So I'm just going to run you through the ingredients quickly. We have 200 grams of beef, some prawns. I've got a mixture here of tiger prawns and normal king prawns, 5 cloves of garlic, some lime, fresh Thai basil, white brown pepper, 2 tablespoons of soft brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of some dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, some sesame oil, half a red onion, some pak choi, spring onion to garnish, some green chilies, which of course, if you don't like heat, please feel free, this is an optional element of the dish, and 200 grams of rice noodles. So the first thing we're going to do is soak our rice noodles. To your bowl, you're just going to add in some hot water. Make sure that all of the noodles are submerged. We're going to leave this to soak for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make sure that we have all of our veg and seasonings prepped. In order for this meal to be quick, we have to make sure that everything is chopped beforehand, because as soon as that wok starts going, you're going to have no time in between. So I'm just going to move the beef to the side and make sure that I add my shellfish into the same bowl. I just want to avoid having to season in between 2 separate dishes. Finally chop into strips our red onion. The finer you chop things, the quicker they'll cook. I'm going to chop 1 clove of garlic. So, to your beef and prawns, add in your garlic, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and a tablespoon of fish sauce. All of these ingredients are readily available at your local supermarket. I'm just going to mix that all together. Going to chop some of our chilli. If you don't like heat, please feel free to take the chilli out. I like my food very spicy, so I'm going to make sure I use half of the chilli. This should be enough for at least 2 to 3 portions. I really love making this meal when I'm in a rush, or like the title says, drunken noodles. Nothing better than when you come back from a night out. Now I'm going to chop up the remainder of my 4 cloves of garlic. This is going to go straight into our wok when we're ready to cook. I'm just going to use the spring onions to garnish the dish at the end. You're really going to want to make sure that your wok is smoking. Great thing that I love about woks, it cooks everything super quick. So whilst that's heating up and our beef and prawns are marinating, I'm just going to quickly whip up the sauce. So we're going to want to add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I don't need to add any salt to this just because the soy sauce is very salty already. I'm going to add in our 2 tablespoons of soft brown sugar, a teaspoon of white pepper. You can use black pepper if you want to, anything that you have to hand, and a tablespoon of our fish sauce. So to our piping hot wok, we're going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Very quickly we're going to immediately add our onions, garlic, and chilies. Make sure you act quickly because the wok is very hot. Whilst those garlic, onions and chilies are cooking, I'm going to go ahead now and add in our protein. So because beef takes slightly longer to cook, that's the first thing that we're going to add to the pan. Continue to cook this for around 3 minutes. Right, now I'm going to go ahead and add in the tiger prawns, which are slightly big. Once that starts to go pink, I'm going to go ahead and add in our king prawns. Now that the prawns have turned pink, I'm going to go ahead and add in our marinade. Now that our sauce is bubbling, I'm going to quickly go ahead and add in our veg. So we're adding in the pak choi and some of that Thai basil. If you don't have Thai basil, regular basil is also okay. I like my vegetables very crunchy, so I'm not going to let them cook for too long. Literally just 1 minute is good enough for me. I'm going to go ahead now and add in our drained noodles. Now that it's ready, I'm just going to go ahead and add in a squeeze of fresh lime, and we're ready to eat. Less than 20 minutes, easy, quick and simple. Absolutely starving. Smells so good. So there we have it, Rukkie's Drunken Noodles. Let me know what you think. Please make sure that you like, subscribe and comment, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks guys. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go.
What are you trying to say, Shan?
I just wanted to say. Oh.
Action. Ready?
Are you doing that from that angle? Are you sure I don't look fat from that angle? That's the low angle, it looked nice. Why would you get my hopes up and then bring me down?